Go. Wait up, go.
And I'm here with
Stop.
Schoolboy Humor. One of us.
Yes.
Caleb.
Yeah, that's Caleb. And Chris. Chris, say hi.
I'm Chris. I just want to say hey to TT.
Yeah.
Wish he could be here. He's in Florida. Wish he could be here.
Yeah.
We're coming next month. Check out our MySpace.
Oh, you guys are so sweet. Okay, end it. Barely see you, but whatever. That's it, yeah. Wait, nope. Okay, that's good, that's good. Yeah.
Tell me when.
Now.
Hey TT, I hear you like us and you're in Florida. We'll probably be there in the next month or so we'll see you there. And this is Caleb. Appreciate it too.
Wait. Now.
TT, this is Phil from Schoolboy Humor. I'm sorry you couldn't make it tonight, and I'm sorry we're not coming near your city anytime soon. But I love you. Listen to us on MySpace. We have an EP coming out on iTunes, 4 songs in October, and then a full-length CD that'll be in stores everywhere in February. So that's what's up. Hit us up on MySpace, and we love you, and hopefully we can make it to Miami soon.